All right, tell us about the HubSpot marketing feature week, which is deal lists, which we've been talking about for years, finally here.
That's right. We've wanted this for a while, deal lists. In fact, we want lists for all objects. So hopefully this is the start of them rolling it out for all objects. For example, tickets, I want ticket lists, quote lists, custom object lists, any object I want to be able to create a list on. Why? Because lists are more powerful than views. So deal lists, why have we got this in marketing feature of the week and not sales feature of the week? Well, it's probably mainly going to be used by marketing because you'll create lists. The advantage they have over views is that you can add a lot more criteria. For example, cross-joining against objects. We've got an example in the show notes in a second. You can also then use those lists to trigger workflows. You can use them in branches in workflows. You can use them in reports. You can actually use them as lists in views. You can control permissions on lists. So there's a number of things here that are advantageous from using lists over views. So this is fantastic. It's the same approach for creating lists. You go and create a list. There's a deal-based list. Here's an example, very simple one, of creating a list that has any deals where an associated line item contains the word warranty. This is actually a real example that a client needed. Can you show me all the deals where one of the list items was warranty? Because we know they need to renew that each year. And so then we want to send internal reminders and things like that. So very simple use case there. You can use that to trigger workflows. You might create tasks, who knows what. So use that. You might even just use that list membership in a view. So you give views to your sales reps because you probably don't want your sales reps editing lists, to be fair, especially
Correct.
when lists are triggering workflows. So you don't want to give everyone list editing permission. But you want to create these lists for them, then they can use them in views and slice and dice as needed. Permissions, of course, are under marketing. And again, that's why this is a marketing feature. Lists are a marketing feature. So I love this. I think it's going to get used a lot. We love lists, of course, because as you've always said, Ian, they're the building blocks that we build most of the other things in HubSpot portals on.